Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. Today I will be applying Waveformers to my hair, and let's just get on with this video. So if this is your first time seeing a video like this, you should probably check my mom's video. It will be at the eye, and it's much more detailed, and I'm just here doing my thing. So she's gonna teach me how to install it on my hair by myself because this is my first time actually learning how to do this.
So what we're gonna do is one section of your hair. Are you watching? One section of your hair. If it's very small, then we just put one wave former on it. I keep on saying crop former. So just take one like this. Can you unravel one on that side?
Okay.
So you make sure you detangle it well. So the reason why we twisted your hair first is just to make it easier for you to grab one and undo it and style it the right way. Yeah. So we're going to be using the Style Factor fitting spray, and this has a strong hold. You could use water if you want, but this gives you a stronger hold. So what you're going to do is you're going to spray your hair with it and then kind of walk it through like that. And then you're going to also get the setting. This is the fitting foam, and most people just go ahead and use the foam and not use anything for hold, but I like to use the foam. So just get two of it and just put it not on your cheeks, put it on your hair like that. You can decide to detangle your hair this time, but your hair is pretty well detangled. I'm going to show you how to install the waveformer. So this is the waveformer stick. So you just take the waveformer, you put it through the hole like this, and this is actually the crop former stick. So you want to hold it at the bottom like that. Now we're going to take the stick and your hair, I'm going to twirl it, kind of twist it like this so that it's kind of really skinny and it's easy for you to hook the hair. So you just put the hook going down like that and pull it through, and that's it. Okay, you want to try that?
Okay. Take this through.
Over here. Okay, make sure this you twist it so that it's nice and skinny.
Like this?
And then you just make sure you're holding it over here and connect it so that it hooks in. And then push the yellow reformer. Okay? Make sure you're holding it at this point. Hold it at this point. Use this. Put your hand over here. Hold this. Okay? Now pull this out. So hook it like that, and then release this hand and use this hand to pull it out. Pull it out. Okay, so when it gets stuck like that, so we're gonna do another one. It's okay. So we're gonna do one here. So take this, I'm gonna put this away.
Oh, we're only supposed to do half?
Yeah, this is half.
This is a full one.
Yeah, next time you do half. That's why it was probably hard for you. Okay, so moisturize this. Put your spray. Okay, put the foam. I want to put more foam if it doesn't. Okay, make sure you put foam at the roots, especially so that, and at the end. Do you need more foam?
No.
Okay, you put foam. You didn't put any foam at the end. Turn it. Keep on turning it so that it's nice and skinny. Okay, now take that hand, use the hook, and make sure it hooks it down. Okay, and then when it hooks it down, don't release it, just you have to still hold this, okay? Because if you don't hold this will unravel.
Yeah,
okay?
I see that.
Okay, so let's do it again. Okay, you see, it will unravel. So twirl it and then use one hand to hold that. Okay. Okay. Take the hook. Okay, hold on to the hair, hold on to the hook. Use this to just hold on to the hook closer to there. Okay. And then pull it down. Now, okay, when you pull it down, hold this. Okay, so let's try it one more time.
There's a lot of holding.
Yeah, there's a lot of holding. That's because you probably released it. And
I don't know. No, because like I was twisting it, and then I have to like adjust it, and my hand was still there, and I have to.
Well, you can still twirl it. Try twirling it. Okay, twirl it. That's okay. This is your first time, so don't stress about it. This is the most important part, the twirling part. Okay, connect it and hold it. The twirling part, just hold it. Don't be twirling it again while the hook is in it. You're gonna end up hooking onto your hair.
Now what do I do?
Now pull the thing up. Use this. So when you hook it, see, watch. So you twirl it, you hook it like that, okay? And then you put your hand, okay? You hooked it like that, okay? Now you are pulling out the rod, not the crop former, okay? Pull out the rod. Okay. As you pull it, pull it in. Okay. As you pull it in, release this hand. You have to release this hand. Okay. And then now use that hand that you release. Use it to hold the waveformer and pull it out. Just hold the waveformer, not the hook. Hold the waveformer at this area so that, yeah, hold it and then pull it out. Pull it out. Okay.
So pretty much what happened was that I couldn't see like if I was grabbing all the hair or not, or like if the hook was actually going through. So I got my glasses so that I can see, and I have a little mirror now. Yeah, so I have a mirror so I can see it. So I'm gonna try this again and hopefully not mess up. So I remember I had to put this through. Well, we already moisturized it and stuff, so now I'm gonna make a really small roll thing. Then I'm gonna hook it on. Then push this up. And now, oops. Oh no, I forgot to do this. So let me try this again. You roll it up. Let me put this back inside. Let me just make that all go like that. Then do this. Little hook part, then I push it up, and then pull.
You want to hold the crop former against the root with this end, okay?
Okay, and then pull.
Pull.
And yeah, I did it.
much unspoken. Sometimes we're not happy, but we never are broken, are we? Even on an island by ourselves, girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be right here, stranded with you. Feeling better since you brought me here, stranded with you. We surviving together, said I love you forever. I was always meant to be right here, stranded with you. People they call me, tell me I should leave and just be. They don't see all I see. We barely open. Sometimes we feel lonely, but we never are broke.
So we're done, and I'm going to go to bed in this, and it doesn't really hurt to sleep in it. I did have some struggles while doing this. I tend to always lose grip on the waveformer and sometimes on the, what's it called? The pulley thingy?
The stick?
The stick, yeah. So I always lose grip because my hands are either slippery or I just lose grip somehow. I also used 46 of these, so yeah. My mom did the blue one back here, and I did the yellow one. So I'm gonna go to bed and unravel it in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is a brand new setup. It's a brand new day. So let's just get started with taking off these waveformers. So how to take them off? All you have to do is, what I usually do is hold on to the root and pull. And see, look. One out of the way, 45 more. So this is how it looks. So I think that this style is really nice. It shows like that us with natural hair, we can have waves too. And I just really enjoy that it's, you know, just curly and stuff like that. And I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share it to the world. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.
If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be